We've got a fast one for you today because this literally happened a few hours ago. Apple's biggest iPhone redesign in years just went from cancelled to still happening in the span of a single afternoon. Welcome back to TechPulse. Here's how it went down. Earlier today, Jefferies analyst Edison Lee dropped a report claiming Apple had scrapped its all-glass 20-year anniversary iPhone, blaming poor manufacturing yield. And this wasn't just a rumor floating around online. Jefferies actually downgraded Apple's stock over it, and shares dropped a couple percent almost immediately. Which leads nicely into the response, because Gurman doesn't usually let a report like that sit for long. Just hours later, Gurman published his own piece at Bloomberg directly refuting the cancellation claim. According to his sources, the glass-centric redesign for the 20th anniversary iPhone is still very much on track for 2027, running under the internal codenames V73 and V74. Now here's where things actually get interesting, because this isn't just Gurman saying nah. He gives us real detail on what the design looks like. Glass wraps across the front and the back of the phone, curving around into the sides, with a thin metal band running through the middle to hold it all together structurally. But, and this is the part that makes both reports make sense at the same time, Gurman does admit something changed. There was an even more ambitious version of this design in the works, one that used glass almost everywhere with basically no metal band at all. Apple couldn't figure out how to reliably join those glass panels together at the scale needed for mass production, so that ultra-extreme version got scrapped early on. Which means Lee's report probably wasn't wrong. Exactly. He was likely describing that earlier, more aggressive design that already got shelved months ago, not the version Apple is actually still building. So if you're keeping score, both reports have a piece of the truth. The most radical version of this phone is dead. But the version that's actually shipping, glass front and back with a metal band running through the center, is alive and reportedly locked in. And that locked-in part matters, because Apple's design typically freezes about a year before a September launch. For a 2027 release, that window has basically already closed, so don't expect any last-minute surprises between now and then. So here's the question for you. Does a metal band running through the middle still count as the dramatic redesign everyone's been hyping up for the iPhone's 20th birthday, or does that feel like a step down from the original all-glass dream? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed to TechPulse with notifications on so you don't miss the next update on this one. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.